Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Mr. Vlogs. And today I'm unboxing 3000 pre-score 2011 PS3, FIFA 12 or PS3, Call of Duty Ghost on PS3, Grand Theft 4. Has episode from Liberty City. It's 3-3, wow, for PS3, and the fastest game. It was my best game ever that I liked. F1 Formula 1 2014 for PS3. We will unbox now. Let's get started. Hi, now I am going to first unboxing Formula 1 2014 for PS3. You can see this Formula 1 for PS3. Now we will unbox this PS3. Wow, this is good news. You can see this Formula and this is some instruction how we play. Full books are here. Full games. CPS3. I have this. I play from this game. Steering a racing wheel. It's like a racing wheel. That's why they have written joystick wheel. Notes here. I have some notes, some instructions. I have given some Twitter formula www.formula.games.com. Facebook.com, Twitter.com. Nice. We'll keep us this side. We are unboxing PS3 FIFA 12. Let's get started. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, sorry. It's from, I brought from another. That's why. You can see this FIFA 12. Some like World Cup, FIFA World Cup 2012. Will this keep aside? These are also some instructions that scan this and you will get some free FIFA games. And we will start this. There is some instructions. Controller. In this game we can play on in controller only, not at steering wheels, because it's for some, I think so, for racing cars. That's why they are not allowed. We play in this game, we cannot play. They will not upon this game. Now we are unboxing Call of Duty Ghost. PS3 Call of Duty Ghost. Let's get started. Unbox. Oh my gosh. Everyone like this game because it's so nice. I don't believe in that ghost. You can see this Call of Duty Ghost PS3. Some instruction there again. So you can see here some instructions that actually it's nice. Oh my gosh, that is like a ghost. You can see ghost. Call of Duty Ghost. So you want to play this game? This is now pre-order for this game. Okay. It's now new game, this one. Oh, this is some, I also don't know what is this. Call of Duty Ghost. Insert for PS3 DVD. PS4 download PS4 game. What is this? I don't know what is this. Oh, this is my Amazon packing. No, Flipkart. I have to buy it for. I had borrowed from Flipkart 294 because my mother told that take this only now. Now this year, some days I will take another games. So to keep this. Now I'm unboxing GTA 4 has episode from Liberty City. What is the full form of GTA? Grand Theft Auto 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. Now I'm going to show back one. See, there are 3, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. I have played this all. It's so nice. In that we can got anything like. See, what is this R? Every weekend we will take like GTA Vice City, GTA San Andreas. You will get this R. I don't know what is this R. It's okay. It's symbols of their companies. See how it look like this. I will read some constructions. Wow. See this, it's nice. And it's so nice. See controller game. Liberty, welcome to Liberty City. The Lost and the Ring. Some construction they are given. What is this? I don't know this China's language. You see from this. Nice, it's very nice. I like this so much because it's this game are the famous in the whole world. You know GTA 5? I have that, but I will unboxing in next episode. So this full 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the I have something happened in that. That's why I cannot show that. 1, 2, 3, 4. This all 4 games are showed. Like, subscribe, share, everything. You know bell item, click there and play an item. Bye.